Welcome, everybody. It's Bonnie Maldonado, and I'm the interim chair of the Department of Medicine. And this is our May message. Looking forward to lots of activities as usual during springtime, and this month is no exception. I wanted to start off just by mentioning that this month is Asian American, Native Hawaiian, and Pacific Island Heritage Month. This year's theme is Advancing Leaders Through Innovation. And we're paying homage to the visionaries and trailblazers who've shaped AANHPI history and made lasting contributions to our nation's strength and collective future. And in recognition of this month, there will be an identity conversation later in the month on May 22nd. There will be virtual and in-person options in BOBA for those attending in person. Now, as you all know, we're kind of at the tail end of interviews for the chair search and still waiting to hear more information about the DFA search. So I'll talk just a little bit about both of those, but we're still in the process. So we have finished hearing the Zoom town halls and interviews with the 4 chair candidates so far. And we'll get more updates from the dean's office later this month to see where we are with the process. I don't really have any updates at this point, but I know we'll hear more later in May to hear what the next steps might be. But I hope that if you all had a chance to either meet the individuals or get to see their town halls, that you can think about your comments. And if you have already submitted them, that's great. But there's still time for you to submit your comments and thoughts on the chair candidates for now. And as you know, we're still in an active process identifying candidates for the DFA position. As I mentioned last month, there are many candidates right now, so we're excited that there will be a lot of opportunities to bring in highly qualified people for that. And we anticipate that those candidates will be screened so that we have a smaller number of highly qualified individuals to start interviewing here sometime in late spring. So again, these processes will be working close together. That is the chair and the DFA searches. So lots going on there. Now, I also wanted to talk a little bit about some other activities. One is that, as you may know, we are working with a partnership with Sequoia Hospital in Redwood City. And we have been partnering with them to create a hospital within a hospital. This will be a small independent number of 24 beds at Sequoia that will be licensed to Stanford for our patients. This unit will be completely autonomous and will create more capacity for our Stanford patients as this is part of our surge response to the pandemic and post-pandemic high census at our 500P and 300P facilities. So the Division of Hospital Medicine is leading this clinical initiative with Drs. Nira Ahuja and Dr. Thomas Liu. And these patients that will be admitted directly to Sequoia will be low acuity patients with teleconference and telehealth services available by subspecialties. So you'll hear more about this as we roll forward and look forward to this opportunity to decant some of the pressure from the 300 and 500P facilities to Sequoia. Now, other great news is that the Family Medicine Residency program at Tri-Valley has received ACGME accreditation. As you all know, that's quite a big feat. This initiative has been led by Dr. Minjin Go, Drs. David Quillen, Kathleen Gia, Dr. Li Jiaji, and Kimberly Young. So we want to congratulate them and look forward to more information about the upcoming new Family Medicine Residency program. And then finally, I just wanted to mention that applications are now open for the 2024 Chair Diversity Investigator Awards. This is a program that supports research that addresses health inequities. It supplies $50,000 in funding and is open to instructors and assistant professors across all lines. More information and eligibility criteria are available on the department website, and other details, of course, of all of our other Department of Medicine activities for the month of May. By the way, the applications for the Chair Diversity Investigator Awards are they're due on June 30th, so you have some time to apply, but take a look and see if you're interested and able to write an application, and also to look at all the other May activities that we have going on in the Department of Medicine. It's been great to see all of the activities in April, and more to come in May, and as we lead into the late spring and the beginning of summer. So thanks to all of you for listening, and have a great month.
The preceding program is copyrighted by the Board of Trustees of the Leland Stanford Junior University. Please visit us at med.stanford.edu.